What is going on, you guys? Alex here with EV Sportline, bringing you another video. Behind me is our Rivian R1T with a Yakima SkyRise tent installed, and this video is going to be a part 2 to a previous video. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and make sure you check that out first. It'll be linked up above and in the description below. That covers installing the tent on the truck. Today, in our video, we're going to be covering how to unpack the tent, get it set up, and then cover the teardown process, getting it packed back up and on the truck, ready for driving. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. All right, we're over here at the truck now, and our first step is going to be to remove this black cover. This is just a cover for storage and for driving. So we'll go ahead and unbuckle. There's gonna be some Velcro at the corners and around 3 of the sides. This side here is kind of slid into a channel. We'll show that as we're pulling it off. But we'll go ahead and just walk around now and undo these, undo this Velcro. These corners here have a zipper that we can just unzip like that. Continue working our way around. And I'll go ahead and start picking this up and moving it towards the driver's side. And a pro tip, you can use the gear tunnel and the tailgate if you need a little bit more height. Now I can actually reach the strap in the back here towards the rear window. All right, now that we've got it all the way to this side, you can see it slid into that channel, and we can just pull this out. Now we'll just go ahead and pack this away in the truck or set it to the side, and we'll get to unfolding the tent. All right, so now we're up top looking at the top of the tent. We've got our ladder here. It's secured by a Velcro strap. So we'll go ahead and undo this. And then next, there's going to be a Velcro strap at the front and the rear of the tent that we need to undo. And once those are undone, we can start to pull this ladder out, and then we'll use the ladder to actually unfold this tent out this way towards the driver's side. All right, so now we've got our ladder extended. It's pretty easy to just push down and get the tent to unfold. Once we get about here, we'll need to start pulling back away from the vehicle. So we reach the ground like that. All right, so we want to collapse this ladder down a bit so our tent is even, and we just need to press in on these locking tabs on either side, and it will start to drop down like that. All right, so once you get your ladder extended, typically you're gonna end up with something like this where it's not tight. So these extra rungs, we need to move these all the way to the top to get this locked down and tight to where you could actually climb up this thing. So one at a time, we'll move these up. We'll use our little locks here, push them in with our thumbs, move them up. So now once these are up, you want to hold these rungs with one hand, and then we're just going to fully extend this leg. So now we're locked. We're locked, but this is a little bit too much of an angle, so we want to shorten this even further. So I'm going to take this rung right here, shorten it up, bring this all the way up here. See, and now we're locked and we're ready to go. We could climb up this nice and easily into the tent. All right, so our next step is going to be, we'll take this extra material here where we pulled that cover off, and we just want to fold this down nice and clean all around the edge. That ready to go. I'll pull this out. That all nice and clean, ready to go. And then we're well on our way to having this tent fully set up, but the next thing we'll do is we've got these rods here. We're gonna insert through these eyelets in the rain fly to get all this fully extended. All right, so we're gonna start with sticking our straight end into the hole first. Let's line up the angle and we'll press it straight in. You'll feel it stop. And now we can just lift this up and through the eyelet like that. So we'll go ahead and repeat this for the other locations. All right, so now we're ready to start heading into the interior of the tent. So we're gonna climb up and we're gonna go ahead and just raise this flap. There's a zipper, so we can go ahead and get this unzipped. And then you'll notice a ring at the top here. This is gonna help us secure this flap. We can go ahead and start to roll it up. We'll go ahead and lift this ring over the top. You'll see there's another one on the bottom, and then this tab is going to go through both of them and secure this up. So if we take the rings like this, kind of match them up, then we'll stick our bar through the center of both of these. And it will tie it off just like that. That will hold this door up. All right, now we can head into the interior. All right, at this point, the tent is fully set up and ready for use. At the front here, you'll notice this mesh screen. This is used as a bug screen, so you can zip this up while you're chilling in the tent. If you want to keep any bugs or anything from the outside, you want to keep that outside. Or if you want to open everything up, you can roll this up as well and kind of tuck it behind the main door here. And then you're fully open and ready to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and reverse this process and show you how to pack the tent up. All right, I'm gonna start on the inside and go ahead and zip everything up. So we'll pull the main doors back down and zip them up. All right, next we'll go ahead and take down the rain fly here. We'll start with the eyelets up top and pull them off of the rods. And pull the rod out of the hole. All right, now we're ready to fold the tent back up, so we can grab our ladder and just pick it up and fold it over. And we'll want to make sure we tuck all of this tent material inside as much as possible. You may need to even lift up on the tent a little bit to open it back up and push the material in. And I'll go ahead and secure our rear strap here. Cinch that down nice and tight. Go ahead and tighten down the rear strap as well. All right, now we just need to collapse our ladder back down all the way. So we'll unlock our tabs. And push it up like that. Now we need to take this strap and make sure we route it out the back side of the ladder. That way we can use the Velcro strap to strap it down like that. And at this point, we're ready to go ahead and put the cover back on. So you'll remember there's gonna be one side that does not have Velcro. This is the side that slides into our channel here. I'm gonna go ahead and start that. All right, now we can lay the rest of the cover over the top. And then we'll take our Velcro flap at the bottom here, fold that up and make sure we secure the cover to our Velcro. We can redo our clips here, zip up our corners. All right, that is going to do it for our setup and pack up of the Yakima SkyRise tent on our Rivian R1T. If you want to learn more about this product, you can do that at evsportline.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more EV content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.